Hey, what's up guys? This week on Drop Motorsports, we are gonna see how long this motor can run if you replace the engine oil with nacho cheese. This car was in a front end collision and it's on its way to the junkyard, so we figured why not at least make use of the motor.
About 20 bucks worth of nacho cheese, and we're gonna see how long it lasts.
Right now we're just gonna let it warm up with oil in it, make sure everything's warm so that when we put the cheese in it'll flow nice. So next step is draining the oil.
All right, so we're priming the oil filter with cheese right now. Looking to
give it its best chance of getting some cheese pressure.
All right, so we got the cheese just chilling on the motor, trying to warm up a little bit since we already warmed the motor up. Sam's putting the filter on right now, hoping that the cheese filter will
build a little pressure.
And yeah, hopefully it seals up pretty nice, even though it's got all that cheese on the seal.
Now it's time to start putting cheese in the motor. This shit.
It's gonna be a little bit of a slow process putting the cheese in there, but she'll get in there. Bag number 2 going in. That precise cheese packing, dude.
Just filling it full. All right, we're going in clean.
Clean stick. Coming out full of cheese, bud.
So we got 3 bags of cheese in the car right now. Motor is filled with cheese. Next step, starting the motor.
Good.
All right, initial startup.
On cheese only. Runs mint. We're popping the valve cover after this, right?
Sure. Okay. Should we give her some throttle?
A little bit.
Ready?
Give her like 2,500.
So much dirt just flew up.
6 grand.
Bounce it off rev limiter.
Ready?
Starting to smell like nacho cheese in here.
Oh, I can smell cheese cooking.
Oh yeah, she's definitely cooking cheese.
Look at that. Get a video of that. There's seriously
Just flinging cheese. Oh, getting cheese on the camera.
This might have to run for a while to boil.
We're at about 2 minutes, 2 minutes 30 seconds right now. Head's getting a little tickier, smells more and more like burning cheese every second. We're at 4 minutes of running so far.
You go in there and rev it.
Smoking a little. You don't like it, that's for sure.
How long is that? 7 minutes? Keep her full. It's smoking from the back, man.
Yeah, probably because that cheese gasket didn't work. Maybe not. You can just leave it where it's at. Alright, hit it. Terrible. Smells like nasty of it. uncomfortable. Like, do we drain the cheese out of it? Said there's not even a check engine light on in it.
How long has this been in?
It's been, I don't know, 7 minutes.
Well, it's been running for like 20 minutes. On cheese.
What?
Air conditioning.
AC still works. I just don't think it wants to blow up.
You really don't want it.
That's all it's got? That's loud. What are you sitting at normally?
2,500. Oh, Lord! Shit!
It went. Alright, so after 20 minutes of running, the motor locked. And right now we're just gonna pull the valve cover to see what happened. It didn't explode out the side or anything, so we're just gonna see what damage was done. Jesus.
Oh, it smells like nacho cheese so bad.
Oh, yuck.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
It's like rotten Kraft candy sacks. The new Nissan fondue motor.
Oh.
It doesn't even look that bad.
It smells terrible.
Oh, about dropped the camera. It doesn't even look that bad. No wonder it lasted forever.
Look at all these bearings though, like all the cam shit and everything.
Oh, that's caked on there, dude. Look how thick that is. Oh, look how sludgy it is.
This thing did not have any oiling issues, that's for sure. What does the dipstick look like? Does that still look like cheese?
Hell no.
Oh, it looks like oil now.
I think she'll start back up.
Let's pull a plug.
Oh yeah, full plug. Done.
Alright guys, so after 20 minutes of running, she finally locked up on us. We pulled the valve cover. It really doesn't look too bad. It's really sludgy, but
There's no scoring.
nothing, yeah, nothing.
I wish you guys could smell it though, 'cause it's pretty.
Yeah, we popped the valve cover. It smells so bad. The plugs don't look bad. The valve or the head doesn't look bad. But if you put cheese in your car, it can run for 20 minutes.
And not mess the head up.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
So if you like that video, give us a like, comment, subscribe. See you next week.